Good morning, student of class 3. Today we will going to start another chapter, that is games and sports. The famous saying that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy is like that too. Work is to put one's energy into pursuing one occupations, like teachers who will work for children to teach, and a soldier is also a work to fight for the defense of his nations, and a driver who work to transport goods and passenger. Children's, your work also is to a student, as you are a student, and your work is to study hard and do your work. So just as the body need the rest when you complete your homework, or the teachers will complete their syllabus, or soldiers and the driver who complete their work, after that they also need and rest and extra free time to entertain themselves, their body, and make a need. They also need a break to refresh themselves. So they want to be spend time doing something that which they help to make feel happy and relax. So they also need a time to uh, relax. That type of relaxations from the work which they will do is called a leisure or a recreational time. On this recreational time, some peoples will play a game, some peoples will doing a drawing, somewhere engage in reading books, some peoples went to watch a movie, or some peoples go for the picnic or a park. So they will spend their time, and some people play and games. Games is the most important thing, that they will make you feel recharged and feel fresh and happy, and it also helps you to exercise and make fitter and stronger. And the children's, you have also seen in the televisions that before the any game they will start, like a cricketer or a footballers, they will warm up their body, and uh, they they will take in some exercise before they will start their matches. So children's, games and sports keeps you fresh mind and fit and stronger. And there are different types of games, children's. The games which we will play inside our home, or in an auditorium or a hall, that type of game is known as an indoor game, like squash, carom board, chess board, table tennis, ludo, snakes, and a ladder, monopoly, scrabble. All these are the indoor games, and the outdoor games are like games which we play in a game field, in an outside field. That type of games are known as a outdoor games. Outdoor games are played within standard size areas, or no, that type of areas are known as a fields or a courts. And children's football field is much bigger than a hockey field, and a tennis court is also much bigger than a badminton court. Basketball court, however, that basketball we can play both indoor and outdoor games. Some games that we can play in individuals, like individual games are like chess, uh, table tennis or a tennis. All these are a single game or an individual game. And in this type of game, individual games, you can use your thinking of skills and thinking in trying to outsmart and defend your so uh, opponent. So there are many game players between teams of players. There are other games than a single or individual players, like football, cricket, volleyball. All these are group games. In a group games you can play and You can play against each another groups, and you can try to win the other groups. So in a basketball, children's, there are 5 players together, you will have the 10 players. And in a cricket or a hockey, there will be a team member of 11 players, and a team member will have to be making strong coordinations with each other to win the games. And you can use such types of techniques or a strength to cover up each other and defeat the opponent team. Playing in a team builds a person characters and develop your good skills and coordinates with each other. And children's, in the next class we will discuss about the traditional games of India.